Well, hello there. If you're here today, then you obviously wanted to learn a little bit about molar mass. Molar mass is it's an interesting topic. We will be discussing the equations, how you solve, and why we use molar mass.
What is molar mass? Well, let me explain. Molar mass is anything that takes up space, molecules, particles, anything at all. However, because the substance itself is so small, we have to use an analytical balance in order to find the molar mass. That is usually weighed in grams.
Molar mass is also known as molecular weight. Come over here so we can talk about it. Molecular weight is the sum of all the atoms in grams of a particular molecule. The unit that is used for this is grams per mole. The equation that we will use to solve for this is molar mass equals grams over mole. Let's continue this over here.
By the way, did we mention that the mole is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms or molecules in units of elementary? Let's go ahead and look at how to solve molar mass. There are three main steps to finding the molar mass. Step one is to find the atomic mass of the elements from the periodic table. Then you multiply the amount of any element to the mass to figure out their weight. Finally, you add the weight of the elements together to figure out the molar mass. Make sure you place the correct title to each answer so as to know how much there is. In this instance, as previously discussed in this video, the correct title is grams per mole. This is vital because grams per mole is very different from grams or moles. Here are some examples of molar mass.
The example on the screen is the compound sodium chloride. We must first figure out the weight for sodium. From the periodic table, we could tell that the weight for sodium is 22.98976 grams. Then we take into account that there is only one of sodium. With this information, we can find sodium's total mass, which is 22.98976 grams. After that, we look to chloride, which has a mass of 35.453 grams. Then once again, we notice that there is only one chloride, so we know that chloride's total mass is 35.453 grams. After that, we add the two masses together to get the molar mass, which is 58.44276 grams per mole.
Thanks for watching our video. See you next time. You just learned molar mass.